Welcome to Line Trading, going over the SPY recap on Friday and analysis, as well as looking at what to be watching Monday and next week. Hopefully, everyone is having a good weekend. But here on Friday, we started off the morning and we opened right here. Now, we had PCE data that we were coming off of, as well as consumer sentiment in the morning, and we had some choppy price action to begin the day. Now, first thing in the morning, I explained on the pre-market brief for Discord members to be watching for the green algorithm right here. And if we were able to break this, right, with maybe a head and shoulder, we needed to be below this level right here. And we wanted to do something like that, breaking out of this green algorithm and the white here as well. But at the same time, I also explained you have to be paying attention to this tapering that is starting to happen down here with yellow and blue, with this 5-day moving average right here, and how we can start to build this. We see this green algorithm holding right here and a purple beginning with this inverse head and shoulder, as well as closing this cup right here at this 5-day moving average. Now, I will explain more about this and how it is important for Monday, but I will go over the 1-minute chart and the microstructure now. So as I was mentioning with this chop in the morning, we had an hour-and-a-half chop right here. Now, I was just sitting on my hands personally during this because I was waiting for something to actually form. So when this formed right here, I was then looking for this handle, but we never got this shoulder back below. You can see right there to break back down. What we started to see was some buyers with a possible inverse head and shoulder right here, or if we came back down and used this shoulder right here with this liquidity to then break that white algorithm. Now we form this cup right here, as well as this handle you can see with the yellow controlled selling, and within that we have another inverse head and shoulder, as well as a cup and handle right here for this move up. Now, after we held the high of the day right here with this yellow controlled selling once again, I explained that the target can now be this 5-day moving average up here, and you see we get this retest up here and a massive dump off of it. Before explaining that, we still have this yellow controlled selling on the way up, you can see right here, with another cup and handle once again, inverse head and shoulder within this yellow you see, as well as this blue algorithm. We continue seeing the yellow on the way up with entries in there. You also have this cup and handle once again. Now we see this blue algorithm breakout here as well with another inverse head and shoulder to blow through that MA, which was about right here when we did it. And then we got this dump right here off of this liquidity. Like I explained on the way up right here, pay attention if at the 5-day moving average we do start to form this and grab this liquidity on the way back down right here like we did. But until then, yellow is still in control, and we can continue to watch it until the moving average. With this, and I was saying watch for the break of this white algorithm right here, you can see how we form right this shoulder right here, and then once again we form this inverse cup and handle right here within this white for another head and shoulder right there, giving that breakdown right here, closing this cup at this pink level. Now we ran out of time at the end of the day to see if we were going to start to form this inverse head and shoulder and do a reversal right here, or we continue to head down and form once again another head and shoulder within here, breaking out of this white algorithm and closing another level at that low of the day. After we closed that cup at the 5-day moving average, I was explaining to be watching for this blue and yellow right here if we did want to form this and break above it on Friday, or we could start to see it form this head and shoulder right here. You can see at these levels. This now brings us to what to be watching for Monday and next week now. So we can see here at the end of the day, it looks like we are holding this level right here, and maybe we are starting to form this right here for maybe once again another cup at this 5-day moving average right here with this yellow and blue. And if we see that inverse head and shoulder to break out of it and once again close this level right here, now we have all of this liquidity above if we do want to form this inverse head and shoulder as well as this cup at the 20-day, and then ultimately this level right here. Now we're still not completely clear to the upside yet, because you do see we have formed two rejections off of this 5-day moving average now, and we are still within this white algorithm right here as well as this green. So if we do see it start to do something like this, we do need it to close once again this inverse cup at this level, and from there can continue that downtrend. So just pay attention to see if we once again have this purple buying continuation and this yellow controlled selling on the way up as we go like this, or we do start to break down right here and break out of these white and green algorithms to the downside. Now, something that you must understand this week is on Wednesday we have FOMC as well as Chairman Powell speaking. So if Monday and Tuesday we start to, base and chop around building something before that, and then the day of, right, say we're at this moving average, we can dump right here that Wednesday, or we are building that move right here so that we take back over these moving averages and head up from there. That is just something to keep in mind. But on the daily chart here, we can see we got this bottom Bollinger retest now, and we have held below this 5-day moving average twice now, but you can see maybe we are starting for this reversal right here. We're going to first need to regain this 5-day moving average, and then from there, you can see how this 20 is basing. We can regain this 20 and once again continue an uptrend. Now, if we do still want to continue heading down, watch for us to continue to hold below these moving averages right here and this bottom Bollinger trending down, and we can do the same like that as we have been closing these inverse cups on the way down right here. You can see the next level will be this one right here. That is going to wrap up this video, but now that you understand those concepts and what to be watching, you will be much more prepared for Monday and next week. Thank you for watching, and I will see members Monday morning.